Hey guys, this is Bring Back the Farm. So, it's been about 24 hours. We're trying to dehydrate some grapes into raisins, and this is what I have so far. Half hydrated grapes. Let's open this up and see what we have for sure. You can see, sort of, right there. But I guess it takes like, it can take like 48 hours. Look at that. It's crazy. But they're still kind of squishy. They're not quite there yet, but they are coming. I'm hoping by tomorrow at this time that they'll be ready to put in the freezer. There it is. It's kind of cool. So, there you have it. My almost ready raisins. Just a quick little update. Bring back the farm. Thanks for watching.